String Theory, the Hidden Symphony of the Universe. Prologue, the unseen music of existence. What if everything you, me, the stars, is not made of solid matter, but of vibrations, tiny notes in an invisible cosmic song? For thousands of years, mystics whispered that creation began not with silence, but with sound, a sacred vibration, the Om, the Word, the cosmic pulse. And now, after centuries of science and searching, modern physics begins to agree. Einstein once said that everything in life is vibration. Decades later, scientists like Brian Greene and Joseph Polchinski found that at the heart of every atom, beneath every particle of matter and light, there may lie a single thread, a one-dimensional string, vibrating in an unseen ocean of energy. Each vibration is a note. Some become light, some become gravity. Some become the rhythm of your heart, matter, motion, emotion, all frequencies of the same eternal song. The universe is not silent, it is music made visible. Chapter 1, The Strings Behind Reality. Once, we thought the atom was the smallest thing that could exist. Then we split it open and found protons, neutrons, electrons. We went deeper and found quarks. But string theory dares to go further. It whispers that at the core of everything, there lies a string of pure energy vibrating like the tiniest violin ever imagined. If an atom were the size of our solar system, a string would be smaller than a leaf floating in a distant galaxy. Yet, these almost invisible strings give birth to everything. To light, to matter, to thought, to life. Each string vibrates in 10, perhaps 11 dimensions, realms beyond the 3 of space and 1 of time that we can see. Like notes on a grand instrument, each vibration creates a unique tone, and that tone defines the particle itself. The same string, played at one frequency, becomes a photon, the light that illuminates the universe. Played differently, it becomes a gravitational, the messenger of gravity that bends space-time. Everything you know, every star, every atom, every breath is one instrument tuned differently. Chapter 2, The Grand Design of Dimensions. But these strings cannot sing alone. To exist, they need more room to vibrate more dimensions than we can imagine. Physicists discovered that these strings require 10, sometimes 11 dimensions, folded and curled into tiny hidden geometries called Calabi-Yau manifolds. Imagine that every point in space is not just a dot, but a hidden universe curled upon itself so small we could never see it. And yet, within those folds lie the patterns that shape all of reality. The way these dimensions fold determines the laws of nature, the forces, the masses, even the possibility of life itself. The universe, then, is a grand multidimensional harp, and the strings of creation play across it, producing the endless music of existence. Dr. David Tong of Cambridge once said, "The relativistic string leads us inevitably to higher dimensions, to gravity, to the very structure of everything. We are echoes of a multidimensional masterpiece, notes resonating within a vast, unseen symphony." Chapter 3, Duality, The Mirror of Creation. In the 90s, a discovery changed everything. String duality. Scientists realized that 5 different versions of string theory were not separate theories at all, but reflections of one another. Different instruments, playing the same song. This revelation gave birth to what we now call M-theory, a unifying framework suggesting that all strings are connected through an even deeper reality, an 11-dimensional ocean of energy. Within that ocean, there are not only strings but higher dimensional surfaces called D-branes, vast membranes upon which entire universes can form. And perhaps our own universe is one of them, a cosmic sheet floating through a sea of infinite dimensions. Some physicists even propose that what we call the Big Bang was the moment two such brains collided, sending ripples of vibration, igniting light and time, and setting the strings of existence humming into life. From the silence of higher dimensions came the sound of creation. Chapter 4. Science meets the soul. To the ancient mystics, reality was vibration. To the modern physicists, it still is. The sages of India spoke of the sound Om, the note that began time itself. String theorists speak of a fundamental frequency, the tone that shapes space. Different languages. Same truth. If the universe is vibration, then thought itself an electrical pattern in your brain is a vibration too. And if vibration shapes reality, then consciousness does not just witness the universe, it participates in it. Your emotions, your focus, your live day true, the string around you, they ripple across the field of creation, the music of your mind. It is most silent. It can harmonize or distort the field of existence itself. We are merely observes. We are the composer of our own reality. Chapter 5. The Physics of Love and Light. Love, it is not just a feeling. It is the highest frequency in existence. When the strings of your being resonate with love, you align with the fundamental tone of creation. You become coherent, a living instrument tuned to the cosmic key. Even gravity, that gentle bending of space-time, is music made visible. A string's vibration shapes the very geometry of reality. From the spin of electrons to the spirals of galaxies, every structure follows harmony. Nothing is random. Everything is resonance. And that is the deepest revelation of string theory and of the mystics before it. We are not separate from the cosmos. We are the music of the cosmos, temporarily taking form. When you love, you amplify harmony. When you forgive, you tune the universe. When you act with kindness, you play a note that never dies. Chapter 6. The Unfinished Song. Even today, string theory remains incomplete. Its equations are elegant, but the full principle, the final note, is still missing. As Dr. Joseph Polchinski once said, the theory will look very different once that principle is uncovered. Perhaps that principle is consciousness itself, the hidden rhythm that connects observer and observed. Perhaps reality needs awareness to sing. Einstein dreamed of a unified field, a single law that could tie together gravity and light. Perhaps string theory is that dream, a music that connects space and time, matter and mind, heart and star. Maybe the final equation isn't written in mathematics. Maybe it's written in you, because you are not a random cluster of atoms. You are an instrument crafted by the cosmos itself. Your voice, your laughter, your compassion, these are the strings of your soul. Every time you love, you help the universe remember its song. Epilogue. The Cosmic Instrument. Close your eyes. Listen. Beneath the noise, beneath the chaos, there is a hum. Ancient, infinite, alive. It is the sound of existence breathing. It is the whisper of creation remembering itself. It is the music you came here to play. You are not separate from it. You are part of it, a vibration within the eternal ocean of being. Every choice you make sends ripples into that ocean. A thought of gratitude, a soft flute. An act of kindness, a deep cello. A moment of joy, a burst of violins. Together they form your life's melody, a song that echoes beyond time. And when all our songs unite, the melody of humanity rises. The earth sings again. You are not small. You are not lost. You are the note the universe needed to complete its song. So breathe. Feel the pulse in your chest. That rhythm is the echo of the Big Bang still singing through you. Play your note with love, because without you, the symphony would be incomplete. If you find beauty in the mysteries of the cosmos and the harmony of our planet, I kindly invite you to like, comment, and subscribe to Space Earth Symphony. Your support helps this cosmic journey continue, where every voice, every thought, and every click becomes part of a greater universal symphony.